Hi guys, I'm going to go over your writing activity today, and it is based on the handout that I gave to you on Monday that we worked on in class and that most of you needed to take home to finish for homework. So hopefully you have that with you because we're going to be using some of that today. The very first page of the new handout that I gave to you asked you to do a couple things that we're not actually going to do. So it tells you to use sticky notes and it tells you to draw on them. We are not going to do that part today. So on this very first page of your handout, all you're simply going to do is to write down your biggest accomplishment of 2018, and that will come from Monday's handout. Then you're going to list the 3 things that you did to accomplish that. Once you have those 3 things, then you can use those 3 things to write some goals for 2019, because whatever you did, it helped you to accomplish this biggest thing that you considered your biggest accomplishment. So whatever you did, it worked. So we want to use that in order to write some goals for 2019, okay? And then you're going to write down, let's see, what is it? The 2019 growth, like how you really want to improve in 2019, almost like a resolution sort of thing, okay? The next page is a writing activity, and I think you can follow the directions there. I don't think that one's going to be difficult at all. The page after that, same thing, just follow the directions, and there's no sticky notes needed for that page. There are, my fan of Post-its, some sticky notes needed for the page that's labeled Reaching the Summit, okay? And on here, what you're going to do, and I'm going to look at my directions here, says you're going to place a sticky note in each square. Draw your accomplishment. Don't do that part, okay? You're just going to put down on the sticky notes 3 obstacles, and underneath the sticky note you're going to write down how you achieved the accomplishment and overcame that obstacle, okay? So certainly for your greatest accomplishment, there were some things, some frustrations, some things that got in your way of achieving that, and you're going to list those and how you overcame that. That's the important part. So we want to key in on that stuff, okay? So the only part of this that we're not going to do is the drawing part, okay? Just so we can get you through this activity and not have to do it at home. We're going to skip the drawing part today, okay? So we're just going to focus on the writing part. Lastly, you're going to take all of that stuff that you just did and you're going to write a paragraph. So the very last page, it says Reaching the Writing Summit, and you're using all the stuff that you have done previously on this handout to write a paragraph. And that is your writing activity for today. If you have any questions, please see me. Thank you.